Follow these steps to fix Snapchat notification sound not working on iPhone. First, check iPhone silent mode. For that, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and head over to the option Sound and Haptics. Make sure you have disabled for the option of silent mode. Next, verify Snapchat notification settings. For that, head back. Navigate to the option Notification. Now from the list of the apps, find Snapchat. Once you find it, open it. Make sure you have enabled for the option of Allow Notification. Likewise, check in for all these options under Alerts, Lock Screen Notification Center and Banners. Also enable for these options Sounds and Badges. With these settings, you'll be good to go. Your problem might be fixed. Now heading towards next solution, you have to disable Do Not Disturb feature. To do that, head towards the option Focus. Make sure you haven't enabled any of these options. Likewise, update your Snapchat. For that, launch your App Store. Now search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, update iOS version as well. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option General. Click on Software Update. If you find any available software updates over here, just update your iOS to its latest version. If none of these solutions work, completely delete Snapchat from your device and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the Snapchat. Click on Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Now launch your App Store, search for the app Snapchat and then install it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Snapchat notification sounds not working on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.